Friends, hello! In this video, I will tell you what you absolutely need to fertilize cucumbers with right now to help them grow faster. To help both the cucumbers and the plant itself grow, so it starts growing upwards faster and sets more fruit. It will also start developing a strong root system, which will allow the plant to absorb more nutrients from the soil and, as a result, support a larger yield. As you can see, the cucumbers are in full swing, and fruiting indicates that a lot of nutrients are being consumed from the soil and need to be replenished. Also, because the cucumbers are already ripening and we will be consuming them very soon, the plant should not be fertilized with any mineral or chemical fertilizers. Only organic or natural fertilizers that will not contribute to the accumulation of nitrates or other harmful substances, such as in the cucumbers. First of all, before any fertilization, we need to harvest the crop that has ripened. This is essentially necessary to efficiently and quickly reallocate nutrients from the root system in the soil to the smaller cucumbers. And when there are no more large cucumbers on the plant, it will naturally and efficiently redirect nutrients to the overall growth of the top and to the significant increase of these cucumbers. And if we definitely fertilize it now, there will be even more cucumbers and the plant will become much lusher and indeed taller. So, we need to harvest the crop and start fertilizing. I'll use potassium humate for the fertilization. It contains all the nutrients that the cucumber plant currently needs to develop a strong root system and to set and form a large yield. The harvest will be tasty and eco-friendly. Dosage is 35 milliliters per 10 liters of water. So, be sure to read what is written on the packaging before use. You can also use dry potassium humate. You will need to add half a teaspoon in 10.3 liters of water, but that's not all. In order for the cucumber plant to grow upwards, for its leaves to increase and become greener, we will also need a nitrogen fertilizer, and also organic. For this, I will use an infusion of cow manure. It is prepared as follows. Take a large container, fill approximately 1/3 of it with fresh cow manure, and fill the remaining 2/3 with clean water. Cover it completely with a lid and let it infuse for 7 days. Then open it, stir carefully, and add approximately 1 liter of this cow manure infusion to 10 liters of water. In our case, there is also potassium humate. We mix it and go to fertilize the cucumbers. For each cucumber plant, I add 1 liter of this organic fertilizer, which will quickly help our plants bear fruit abundantly and grow faster, while ensuring the harvest is environmentally friendly, tasty, and large. If you enjoyed the information in this video, like it, don't forget to share, and also subscribe to my channel to catch future videos. See you in the next videos.